And with India and Singapore being trade partners and collaborative partners in various fields, education is also one such field. DD India's correspondent Akshay Dongre spoke to the co-founder and chairperson of Global Schools Foundation, Atul Temurnikar, on various aspects. Listen in.
India and Singapore are both major trade partners in several fields. Both the countries are collaborating in different aspects of business and trade, and education is turning up to be one of the most important sectors as far as the collaboration between the two countries are concerned. We are right now at Global Schools Foundation, and we have with us the co-founder and chairperson of the Global School Foundation, Mr. Atul Temurnikar. Sir, thank you so much for speaking with us. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is visiting Singapore. Both the countries are major trade partners as well, and education, as I just said, that it's emerging to be one of the most important sector of collaboration. So how are you seeing the developments that are taking place?
Singapore and India have had a very, very good cultural ties all through the last 5-7 decades. We've also seen the CICA agreements coming in place, and the effects of that in terms of positive outcomes in FDI has been noticed. I think this is probably the best time for accelerating the investments on both sides. Singapore has been making investments in technology side, in technology parks, in investing in large financial institutions and various other sectors. And India has been likewise making investments into Singapore and also through Singapore into various gateways into Asia as well as Europe. One is the Make in India program is likely going to be seeing a major attraction from foreign investors. And I think Prime Minister Modi is coming here and interacting with several industry CEOs who are potential investors into India will give them a lot of comfort, because when it comes from the leadership, it's going to be bringing in a lot of comfort in terms of, okay, there's somebody we are going to look towards.
Sir, as far as the collaboration between the two countries are concerned, what areas do you see as potential to expect a boost as far as the growing ties between the two countries are concerned?
Sure. So I think I would say human skills is one very, very big sector. Singapore has the ecosystem in several industries, and Singapore needs great manpower to access to it, not necessarily in Singapore, but access to the manpower in India. And I think India has that. India has been able to achieve great achievements in the area of skills development. NSDA has been doing very, very good progress in that area.
And my last question would be about the arrival of the Prime Minister that's going to take place. What do you see around Singapore as far as the excitement is concerned, especially among the Indian diaspora?
Looking at the the sentiments that we have between the two countries, between G to G, between people to people, this visit is going to be very, very enormously seen by everyone, both in the importance of the trade side of it, but also in the people-to-people relations.
Thank you so much, sir. So that was the co-founder and chairperson of the Global Schools Foundation. And clearly, Singapore has the technology, India has the manpower and skilled labor as well. People who can, in fact, come together, both the countries can come together and realize the dream of even closer ties and better relations between the two countries. With camera person SP Dubey, I'm Akshay Dongre, DD India.